Hi guys, welcome back. So 11.6 is going to be our last section, but it is a little bit on the long side, so there's probably going to be several videos on the different topics that are in here. And what we want to look at first is the complement rules of probability. And we know that the probability of an event is denoted P of E. So the probability that that event will occur. What we want to say is the probability that it will not occur, okay? It's going to be as P, not E. Okay. Okay. So this event P not E is the complement. Okay. And when you add these two things together, they equal 1. So the probability of the event occurring added to the probability of the event not occurring should be equal to 1. Okay. And you see the the rules in there. So we have P not E is equal to 1 minus the probability of the event occurring. Okay, so this is will not occur. Okay, the probability of the event occurring is equal to 1 minus P not E. Okay, and this is the probability the event will occur. Okay, so when you're looking at these problems, you want to look at whether the event will occur or will the event not occur. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at example 1. And this is on page 131. Okay, and if you are dealt one card from a standard 52 card deck, I want the probability that you are not going to get dealt a diamond. Now remember, diamond, that's one of our suits, right? Which is 13 cards. Okay, and I want the probability of this not occurring. All right, so if I go ahead and take the number of cards in the deck and subtract the number of cards in that suit, which is 13, okay, I end up with 39. And so the probability of it not occurring is 39 over 52, or 3/4. Okay, so these problems are fairly easy. You just got to know if you want the event to occur or if you want the event not to occur. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next page and look at example 3. Okay, this one's a graph, so I'm not going to draw the graph. And I want to use the data in this to find the probability that a minute of an NFL broadcast is not devoted to commercials. Okay, so we're saying that the total, I have to go ahead and add all these together, or you can look at the top there. It's 190 minutes for an NFL game. Okay, and it tells me commercials are 63 minutes. And I want to find the probability that it is not devoted, so not occurring. It's not a commercial. Okay, so I take 190, subtract 63, and get 127. And the probability that it is not a commercial during an NFL broadcast is 127 over 190. Okay, and I believe this does not simplify. I believe I tried it and it does not simplify. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and look at example 6. This will be the last one I'll do for this type, okay, for this video. And I'm looking at a chart of ages and moviegoers, and it says a random sample of 3,000, so this is our total. American moviegoers, 12 to 74. One is selected from this population. I want to find the probability as a fraction that the moviegoer is less than 65. Okay, now what I want to do with this is, okay, I want to look at the ones that are less than 65. Okay, Now, I don't want to go sit through and I don't have to go and add these. I know the number of moviegoers greater than 65, right, is 180. Okay, I'm going to use this to my advantage to find the ones that are not in that range. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 and subtract my probability that they are greater than 65. Okay, and when I go ahead and put this in the calculator, I end up with 47 over 50. I can get that simplified fraction right from my calculator. So this is the probability that they are less than 65. And it saved us a little bit of looking for the ones that are 65. So because we wanted to look for the complement. So this is just another way to go ahead and get the complement of the probability or what is not occurring. Okay, so I'll be starting the next section. Go ahead and try the other 3 and let me know if you have any issues.